Well, I wonder which song they're gonna play when we go. I hope it's something quiet and minor and peaceful and slow. When we float out into the ether, into the everlasting arms, I hope we don't hear Marley's chains that we forged in life. 'Cause these chains that I've been hearing now for most of my life, for these chains I've been hearing now for most of my life. Do you hear that 59 sound coming through grandmother's radio? Did you hear the rattling chains in the hospital walls? Did you hear that old gospel choir when they came to carry you over? Did you hear your favorite song one last time? Were you scared when the metal hit the glass? See, I was playing a show down the road when your spirit left your body. And then they told me on the front lawn, and I'm sorry that I couldn't go, but I still know the song and the words and the name and the reason. And I know 'cause we were kids and we used to hang, and I know 'cause we were kids and we used to hang. That 59 sound coming through on grandmother's radio. Did you hear the rattling chains in the hospital walls? Did you hear that old gospel choir when they came to carry you over? Did you hear your favorite song one last time? Young boys, young girls, young boys, young girls. Do you hear that 59 sound coming through grandmother's radio? Did you hear the rattling chains in the hospital walls? Did you hear the old gospel choir when they came to carry you over? Did you hear your favorite song one last time? Young boys, young girls. No, they ain't supposed to die on a Saturday night. They ain't supposed to die on a Saturday night. No, they ain't supposed to die on a Saturday night. Young boys, young girls.